Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Today, I'm going to share some simple and easy tips to help you improve your English speaking skills. Let's get started. Tip number 1, speak English every day. It doesn't matter if it's with your friends, family, or even by yourself. The more you speak, the better you get. You can even talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Practice simple sentences like, "How are you?" "What did I eat today?" Or "What are my plans for tomorrow?" Tip number 2, listen and repeat. Watch English movies, YouTube videos, or songs. Listen carefully and repeat the words or sentences. This will help you learn the correct pronunciation and improve your accent too. Tip number 3, learn new words every day. Pick 5 new words daily and try to use them in your sentences. For example, if you learn the word excited, say something like, "I'm excited to watch a new movie." Tip number 4, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new. The important thing is to keep trying and learn from them. Tip number 5, join English speaking groups or use language learning apps. You can find many groups on Facebook, WhatsApp, or Telegram where people practice English together. It's a great way to meet new friends and improve your skills. So those were my 5 simple tips to improve your English speaking skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.